How to sign up Sweat Wallet app. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign up for the Sweat Wallet app. If you've heard about Sweatcoin and are ready to start earning rewards by moving, this is the video for you, so let's get started. First things first, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Sweat Wallet and simply install it. After you've installed the app, simply open it. Now, you'll be greeted with the sign in option. If you already have an account, you can simply tap login. But for now, let's go ahead and create a new account. Now, you'll be asked how you want to sign up. You can choose to sign up using your email, or you can link your Google or Apple ID account for quicker access. After that, now you'll be able to ask to fill out personal details like your name and creating a password. Make sure your password is secured and click next to move on. Next, you'll have the option to set up preferences. For example, Set Wallet will ask you if you want to track your steps or if you'd like to receive notifications for new rewards. Go ahead and adjust this based on what you prefer. And that's it. That's how you simply sign off for Sweat Wallet.